Hello, YouTube friends and my hubby Mark. Here is the job, and there is another one here working. That's part of the fins, pig fin, and the old man is here too in the other side. And I'm gonna show you this is the pig. What's this? Pig septic tank. So that they keep working. It's very hot, babe. It's not done yet, you know. See? And two people are digging here to make the job done quick. And there's one is mixing the cement and the sands, and the old guy is here. He's doing. Love you, babe. Love you, mom. That's a quick tour for the property now. Love you, my happy wife. See you later, babe. Good night.